Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Alright guys, how's it going? Just recording another one because the last one failed, but now it's opening automatically over here, so sorry if this thing's in the fucking way, but looks like that's what's gonna be happening. So, yeah, let's just go over what I'm reviewing this time. Is just some escape sequence stuff to basically for typing. So let's get into it. So this is some escape sequence baloney. So how I was able to move this over that much. Essentially, all it is it's just a tabbed in. Hold on, exiting out of that. Or did I just exit out of the wrong thing? Sorry, this is taking too long. Okay, here we are. So yeah, I got a tab right there, a little space right there, and all these are on different lines, but I actually printed them on one. And this is an escape sequence. This is also one. This is also one. This is one also. These are right here. This backslash. And yeah, and this is a triple quote. I was able to do that with triple quotes. And then the reason there's a space down here is because the triple quotes are actually, I put them down there. So let's take a look at that. See, so if we move these over here, that should free up that space right there. And it did. Or close the space. So, and let's see. So here we just have a basic string, but it has double backslash, right? And so all, if you notice, all the escape sequences, they have a backslash and then a character. But for this one, it's just another backslash, right? So you're escaping to have that backslash in there, which I think it would work just having it like that, right? It doesn't look like that worked. So that's pretty interesting, and only one of them worked. Well, that's pretty damn cool. Makes that weird noise. I have no idea what that is. If someone could help me, that would be great. I think it's the A character or something, but you know, if you want to get both of them in there, then you just use double, and then, you know, shows up like that. Let's see, what's another one? Yeah, so this is a simple one. You know, we're just doing the same thing we did down there. Yeah, that's right here. So to get this heart, what I did was I just did a backslash and then I did a 3. And then to get those little weird things, that's like a gender symbol or something. You just do a backslash V. And then for these are all on different lines, but I printed it on this in one on one line. So what I did there for that was backslash N. Right, so there's backslash N. So you don't put a space after it, right? If you did, then it'll show up differently. So you see how that's pushed out right there. So you can do that if you want, you know, but you just want to do it to all of them to make them even. You know, so I mean, you could even do a cool design if you really wanted to or something, but I mean, it's kind of pointless for now. So just move that back, and yeah, did a backslash in there, and if you look, load it just in case something's different. So there's a little space right there, right? And that's because I put a space after the N. So that does make a difference. Whoops. Okay, there we go. And so the movie's name was Park. We have a space right here, and let's see why we have that. Because it's on a new line. Look at that. Is that why? Tabbed in, new line. So we got tabbed in, new line. Actually, I don't know why that's there. Because we have these new lines, but there's no space. Let's take a look. We got tab. I have no idea why that's there. Huh. Okay, let's see. Well, if anyone who's better at coding can see why that's there, please let me know. Yeah, that doesn't make sense to me at all. Huh. Maybe it's because we started with a new line. That could be it. Let's see. Let's see. So, oh, fucking shit. That was weird. I have no idea what I pressed right there, but okay, let's make this video way shorter. So let's hurry up. And it was really good. So we got the new line. So I think it is just the new line thing being at the top because it's already going to start a new line. So yeah, look how smart I am. It just fucking doubles it. So now it should be, yeah, there we go. Okay, fix that, but let's put it back anyways. There. Nope, still didn't do it. Okay, backwards or /n. Okay. And yeah, so we got that back to how it was. So yeah, let's just do something cool here. So we'll just do a bunch of so it's all the numbers, right? So you do a / and then you just do any number. And I'm sure there's a maybe you can do a combination. Maybe it'll be different, I don't know. Well, let's take a look. Okay, so we got smiley faces, card things, and then so 8 and 9. What is that? 8 and 9. 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, it looks like a. I think it ends at 6, but you know that's pretty cool. That you can even type that. Look, there's a space right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one of these must. Oh, we got 2 6s. Okay, but anyways, you know, there's some fun stuff that you can kind of mess around with. And that is the end of the video. Bye.